Alright, just took a ride down here to our buddy John's, and I don't know where he's at, but took the coop out. You know, everybody's saying, oh, you ought to clean that up and take it out and everything. All it needed was a wipe down and put gas in it, and boom, it's gone. Where you at, John?
Yo.
Oh, here he comes. Want to do some cruising?
Yeah, nice.
Alright, I came over, I wanted to see your jukebox.
Alright.
Me and John, we went and picked up a jukebox. It's a 1952, and he's working on it. He wants to get it running good and everything. But it's beautiful, you know. He liked mine so much, but he liked the colored pilasters, you know, that spin. So let's go see your jukebox, buddy. He's working on everything. He's got the wood shop here. He's got the mechanic shop here. So he's working on, he's got a wood project in the back, and he's working on that farm wall in there. And he just knocked down one of his sheds. So he's got a lot going on. And now he's got another project. Look at that. You guys ever see that? It's a real whistle sign for a train. Alright. I hear what is it, 4 o'clock? 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, yep. 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, he's just jukebox. He can't play because of the music and stuff like that, but, you know. Look, he's got the pilasters lit up. They're turning, right, John?
Yeah, they change colors real slow.
Yeah,
but
they do.
They'll turn red and green
And they
yellow.
They look nicer at night. Even mine don't have them, but just the glow of the whole thing looks so
nice. Yeah, you
nice.
see like the blue starting to come in on that one.
I do. I see it.
Like a rainbow.
Very cool. Yeah. So like I say, yeah, I'm gonna do a video on this once he gets it running, but right now he's just playing around with it. So, all right. I think we're gonna take a cruise and maybe go see a little dirt bike or something. All right. See you guys in a few. All right. Yeah, he went over little dirt bikes, and I forgot to do any videotaping. I would have videotaped him, but he was helping me out. He set my digital speedometer up here for me. You know, he's good with that technical stuff. You know, old guys like us, we don't know what the hell we're doing. But and he helped John out. John wanted to send a big video, and you know, and he couldn't do it because he didn't have Google Dropbox or whatever the heck they call it. So sorry we didn't get any video of him. He's a good kid. I call him a kid, but he's a young man. He's Christ, he's closing in on 30, I think. But anyway, he's a good guy. So sorry we didn't get any video of him. But you know, sometimes it bees that way. All right, maybe we'll take a walk inside and we'll show you my jukebox, because that's what inspired John to get his. All right, see you inside. All right. Yeah, here's a little shot of my jukebox. This sort of inspired John to get his, you know, because he had a jukebox, but it was like from the 70s, and you know, you couldn't see the mechanism inside or nothing like that. And he really liked, what he really liked is, you see these chrome things I got? Well, on his jukebox, they're like frosted glass, and you probably see earlier in this video, they're colored pilasters, and he really liked them, so that's why he got that. It's funny, this is a Happy Days jukebox, they call it, because it was on the show Happy Days back in the 70s. And John's is also Happy Days, because in the beginning of the program, you know, the introduction and stuff, they show his jukebox, which is a 1952. And this is a 53. And this is actually inside of Al's Diner, you know, and this is the one that Fonzie, you know, bangs on and gets it to run. So they're both Happy Days jukeboxes, but you know, he's working on his, you know, and he's having a good time. But this one's all done. Let me turn it on for you. I can't let you hear any music because I'll get a strike, but we'll get to see the mechanism go. If I could focus this in here. All right, let's try A1. Here it goes. It's searching. I'm going to shut you off when we start hearing the music, so don't get mad. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. There it goes. It found its song.